The secret to making perfect oat milk. Barista at home. Are you tired of spending too much on cafe drinks and store-bought oat milk? Discover the perfect solution with homemade oat milk Barista. It's cost-effective, healthier, and free of additives. Create a cafe-quality experience at home with our easy oat milk recipe. Whether it's for coffee or baking, you'll enjoy knowing exactly what's in your drink, minus unnecessary fillers. Oat milk Barista is crafted for coffee, offering a creamy texture and excellent frothing ability. Its higher fat content ensures stability in hot drinks, making it perfect for latte art. Unlike regular oat milk, Barista versions have 3% fat and additives to prevent curdling, providing a creamy, stable foam, ideal for hot beverages. It's engineered for both professional and home use. This milk is lactose-free, vegan, and often fortified with vitamins. It contains less saturated fat than dairy, and is free from allergens like soy and nuts, fitting well into a healthy lifestyle. Master the art of frothing by chilling your oat milk in pitcher. Aim for 140 degrees to 150 degrees Fahrenheit for best results, and use a steam wand or handheld frother for silky microfoam perfection. Ideal for lattes and cappuccinos, oat milk Barista's creamy texture complements coffee's boldness. It blends well with cold brew for a refreshing summer drink, or a homemade frappe. In our taste test, Oatly, Coop, and Valio stood out for their unique flavors and creamy consistency. Prices vary, with Oatly as a premium option, while Coop and Valio offer budget alternatives. Make your own oat milk by using high-quality rolled oats. Soak, blend, strain, all with one-button simplicity with our milk maker. Store it in glass containers in the fridge for 3 to 5 days, shaking before use. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Join our Milk Makers Academy for free. Learn about plant-based milks and find tasty recipes. Click the link in the description now and unlock a whole new world of dairy-free delights.